When people see something on the crosswalk or on the side of the road, they slow down. That's our goal, to make it safer in this area.
With kids walking to and from the elementary school and the park, this seemed like a really good place to start for new transportation safety elements. We are painting bump outs in 3 locations. Bump outs help to narrow the roadway, and they incorporate flex posts, which force drivers to take a wider turn into those intersections. We did a speeding study, and the top speed was 85 miles an hour, and that was at 1 p.m. on a weekday, so that is really excessive.